Are you ready to lose your job to a robot? These 5 AI tools are already replacing humans, and the change is happening faster than you think. In this video, we'll show you the most powerful AI tools that are quietly taking over entire industries, and how you can stay ahead of the curve. 1. ChatGPT 5. OpenAI's latest model is rewriting how businesses handle customer support, emails, copywriting, and more. With near-human reasoning, companies are replacing entire content teams with ChatGPT-powered systems. 2. Midjourney, DALL-E designers beware. Tools like Midjourney generate high-quality images in seconds. Brands now use them to create product mock-ups, thumbnails, and ads, without hiring graphic artists. 3. Synthesia. This AI turns text into professional-looking talking head videos in over 60 languages. Companies now produce internal training, marketing videos, and even ads without a camera crew or actors. 4. Reclaim.ai. This tool acts like an executive assistant, automating your calendar, meetings, and priorities. It's already replacing virtual assistants and project coordinators in startups. 5. AutoGPT. Think ChatGPT, but autonomous. AutoGPT can plan, execute, and iterate on tasks without human prompts. It's early stage now, but it's what AI agents will look like when they start replacing knowledge workers en masse. Which of these tools amazed or scared you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay ahead in the age of AI.